Welcome to ZenTrends, where we decode what's next in business trends, smart tech, and the future of work. In today's episode, why AI is more than just a trend. You guessed it, artificial intelligence. But AI isn't hot just because it sounds futuristic. It's trending because it's finally useful and practical for businesses of all sizes. What used to be reserved for billion-dollar tech companies is now helping small businesses write emails, summarize documents, handle support, and predict customer needs in real time. Sure, AI helps you move faster, but the real benefit? It helps you make smarter decisions, personalize your customer journey, and scale without burning out your team. Here's the big myth. AI will replace people. The truth? It empowers them. At Zentegra, we help businesses use AI, not to replace their teams, but to unlock their best work. From automating your repetitive tasks to analyzing data instantly to delivering personalized customer support, AI is your assistant, analyst, and advisor all rolled into one. AI isn't a future feature, it's today's opportunity. The question is, are you already using it or are you still waiting for perfect timing? If this helped you see AI differently, hit subscribe for more ZenTrends every week and visit us at Zentegra.io to see how we help businesses use AI to scale smarter. Link is in the bio.